Are you sure you don't want me to walk you in?
Mom!
Okay.
Mom.
Have a great day, sweetie pie!
Let me just say for the record that middle school is the dumbest idea ever invented.
This place is an intellectual wasteland.
You got kids like me who haven't hit their growth spurt yet, mixed in with gorillas who have to shave twice a day.
Based on the best-selling book.
Don't talk to anyone, don't look at anyone, don't sit down.
So not happening.
Ah, who am I kidding? You'll be dead or homeschooled by the end of the year anyway.
Thank you for those words of motivational wisdom.
20th Century Fox presents Greg.
I heard girls say that Bryce Anderson has a cute butt. A butt can't be cute. It's a butt. There's Bryce. Just be cool. Hey, Bryce. Yeah, hey, Bryce. Cute butt.
Rowley.
This one, we burned. It was a present from my mom. Well, then your mom is trying to get you killed.
Patty.
Make your move! She's a girl. Where do I grab her?
Chirac.
Stop! You almost got the cheese touch.
Fregley.
Wanna see my secret freckle? Whoa! It's got a hair in it.
Roderick.
What did I tell you would happen if you ever went in my room again?
I'm going to kill you.
Run! Let go, baby hippo!
Manny. And Coach Malone.
You guys are going to be shirts, and you will be skins.
Why are we skins?
He's just trying to make kids like us feel bad.
What do you mean kids like us?
My name is Belly Button. What's yours?
One day I'll be rich and famous. But for now, I'm stuck in middle school with a bunch of morons.
Diary of a Wimpy Kid.
This is not a diary, it's a journal.